What's up, Goodman family? It's your boy Chucky, and today we're gonna unbox and review something kind of big. The Ninja blender. So let's jump right in, shall we? Man, that hit my leg and it hurt. So let's get on in it. Handy dandy cricket. Alright, so open. Right off the bat, guys, there's two little recipe things. Then you got a little Ninja booklet, bunch of cardboard. First thing you get to is your actual blender. It's awesome, and I dig it. No, let's not cut myself as we get it out of the thing. It's the lid to your blender. So now your blender. Your blender has its lid. The little stick, I'm assuming that's going to be for the food processor. And excuse me the sweat, guys, it's a little warm in here. A lid for a tumbler, assuming we'll find that in a minute. And my assumption was incorrect. Basically another one of these. So there's two of these. Your little blender bottles, so you make smoothies and stuff. There's two of your accessories for the food processor. You go another layer deep. Another layer deep. I know this thing's full of stuff. Now we know why this box is so heavy and why it hurt so much when it hit my leg. The lid to the processor. And if I was a betting man, I bet the next thing is probably the processor itself. Yep. Either a smaller blender, or you can change it out to make it your food processor. Some plastic blades. And then last but not least, guys, your base. And guys, before we get into the review portion, let's take that one last look at the unboxed material. Jimmy's with me now.
What up?
And this is starting of the review for the Ninja blender.
Hell yeah.
So, let me speed you up to date on what we got right now. That is your Ninja blender. That is a crap ton of frozen Mountain Dew. To the Mountain Dew, we're going, since you know we're of both legal drinking age, Going to add vodka and our apple pucker.
You mean?
Puck! We go ham, son. Just put your top on it. Lock your top down.
Lock the top.
Cut your power on. And don't that just look amazing? And you just...
Oh, that's like a green apple teeny, dude.
To find out more about my African roots. Ancestry really helps me feel a little.
Liberty Mutual Insurance.
At JCPenney, we can't guarantee the weather, but we can guarantee our experience.
So the bomber said something about answering the call.
What do you think that means?
This year, Dad, considering you've been shunted aside by your own family, I'd like to invite you. So, do you come? Don't touch organic residue. I'll cut it out.
Lemonade mixed citrus for Georgia. What is that, a nostril? Yep, and I have no idea how the lemonade...
I'm gonna crush some Doritos on it. Cheese.
The first thing that you taste is soft, buttery bread. Not too much. And then the texture of the crumples on top.
Is a relic suited for this old world product, and it hasn't lost any of its punch.
In this country these days have been doing it
Avocado ranch sauce.
Guys, that about wraps up the unboxing and review for the Ninja blender. If you happen to notice, some of it's been better quality than, well, if you notice the review's been a better quality than the unboxing portion, it's because the unboxing portion was filmed on my old camera. And the review portion was filmed on my new camera, Canon G7X Mark II. If you want to see that video, guys, click right here. If you want to see a random video, click right here. If you want to subscribe, click right here. And until next time, keep it real.